In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set an OCO, or one cancels the other order, on Binance. If you're trading on Binance, utilizing an OCO order can be an invaluable tool. It essentially allows you to place two orders simultaneously, a limit order and a stop limit order. When one of these orders is fully or partially executed, the other gets automatically canceled, helping you manage risk or lock in profits. This feature is particularly advantageous if you want the convenience of setting a take profit and a stop loss at the same time, giving you more control over your trading strategy. Let's dive into the exact steps for placing an OCO order on Binance using your desktop or web interface. The first thing you need to do is log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate over to the Trade section and select Spot Trading. This will bring up the trading interface where you can choose the trading pair you're interested in. Let's say BTC USDT, for example. Now, here's where you initiate your OCO order. In the Order Type drop-down menu, look for the option to choose OCO. If you don't spot it immediately, don't worry. It might be tucked under other categories like Stop Limit, Advanced, or Conditional Orders. Once you've selected OCO, you'll need to enter specific parameters for your order. First, you'll input the limit price, which is the price at which you aim to take profit if the market moves favorably. Next is the stop price. This is the trigger for your stop limit order if the market moves unfavorably. Once this stop price is hit, your stop limit order becomes active. Following that, enter the stop limit price, which is the minimum or maximum price you're willing to sell or buy once the stop order is triggered. Finally, decide on the amount, which is simply how much of the cryptocurrency you want to trade under this OCO setup. Before you finalize the order, it's crucial to double-check all these values. Ensuring the numbers make sense relative to the current market price can save you from unwanted surprises. Be sure that both your profit target on the limit side and your stop limit parameters align with your trading strategy and market conditions. Once you're satisfied that all the details are correct, go ahead and submit or place your OCO order. Doing this means your OCO is live on the market, functioning as your safety net for both upside and downside price movements. By mastering how to set an OCO order on Binance, you're equipping yourself with the ability to manage your trades more effectively. This technique not only saves time, but can also enhance your trading outcomes by simultaneously protecting your gains and limiting potential losses. Happy trading!